Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to save a file as PDF in Photoshop. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open Photoshop, and now we wait until it's open. And just so you know, this tutorial is used on the version 2019. If you have any oldest or the newest version, it will still work for you. So still keep focusing on this video and watch it all so you don't miss anything. Now, for example, let's grab a CV or something, or a picture, or whatever it is. For example, I have this one. Now we have this CV. For example, you need to send it to a company, or to email it to your director or something. You don't really want to send it as a picture, but you want to send it more or less as a PDF. How to do so? First of all, for you, we need to cut, for example, these extra edges. So we click on cut and remove them. And here we select this one and we remove it. And we keep it like that way. Now we click on Control and click on this layer and click on image and then click on crop. As you can see now, it is perfectly shaped as PDF without any extra edges. Now, how do we save it as a PDF file? Well, it's pretty simple. You have two ways of doing so. The easiest way, which is clicking on File, coming to Save or Save As, and then click on Save on Computer, and then we choose the PDF form from here. So where is it? We find it somewhere here. PDF, here it is, Photoshop PDF, and you can see it will be saved as PDF. Let's click on Save. Okay, and then we click on High Quality. We keep it as these options, and then we click on Save PDF. Click Yes, and it will be on in your documents. The other method, which is clicking on Ctrl Alt Shift and S, and then choosing the PDF form from here. So that was the tutorial for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thanks for watching.